All right, guys, welcome to Binary Masterclass, where we are in video number 3 on our challenge to double our account in as few of trades as possible. Today's video is going to show you trades 22 through 33. And just remember, guys, if you're interested in joining with us in our live daily trading sessions, which happen every morning at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we regularly make 10, 20, sometimes 30% every day, join us at binarymasterclass.com. Click on the link in the description below, and we will see you in the trading room. And now let's get into the session. All right, guys, welcome to the trading session today. And before we get going, today was a fairly active day of trading. I think we had 12 trades today. And the story of this session is to show you how we can actually take a loss during a session and recover from that session and actually finish with a nice profit overall. We're showing you 20 trades 22 through 33 in our doubling our account challenge, and we start off with a call on EuroCAD, which we took because the currency came down to a really nice 15-minute support level, and that one just won at the finish line. That was close. I did end up taking a 3% first on Euro Franc and again on EuroCAD, just because both of these were at very strong supports and hadn't really made their move up. And I did win both of those first entries as well, giving us our second and our third wins of the day. Now we move over to Euro Franc, take a first entry call. This one does have a little bit of trouble with that support level. It hasn't completely broken through, but did not really spawn off it the way that we needed to for our first trade. So we did end up losing our first trade. Our second trade is heading lower, and we're going to need a third entry on this guy. And this is trade number 4. This is actually where we end up taking our first loss of the day. We win about 95% of our trading cycles. We do occasionally take a loss, but we have a system in place that allows for us to, and here we go, we're going to conclude. We took a third entry loss in Euro Franc. I didn't want to chase it for a fourth. I just didn't like the way that it was moving. And so we do have a system that allows us to quickly recover from third entry losses. We take a put on Franc Yen with the second level entry, which gets us about a third of our loss back in one trade. And that one won really nicely. Then we move over to Euro Pound. Comes off of his support, take the call, like the trade, starts moving back up through the range, nicely into the money. Remember, guys, we're using custom indicators that we have fine-tuned, that we've taken thousands of trades off of, that we have a high degree of success with utilizing. Those currencies are available as a standalone product, or you can get them highly discounted with your membership into the trading room. And we also take a put on EuroCAD, first entry win there. So we have now recovered that, or we're one trade away actually from recovering that third entry loss. We move over to Pound Aussie. We take the first entry put there. It does end up breaking through that level. So we will take a second. Comes off of that very well structured support nicely, moves itself down through the range and gives us a nice win there, puts us well into the profit for the day. We caught Aussie Franc as it had already come off the bottom but was moving nicely through the range, and we took a good trade on that. Gonna move on us a little bit, but don't worry, I think we'll reel this guy in. Okay, we will take our third entry. Just waiting for the right spot. And, oh, that push is nice. Okay, I think we're gonna like it pretty quickly here. There we go, take it right before the drop. Breaks through that support level. Moves back through the range, gives us another win. Over to Euro CAD. Take our put on Euro CAD. It does bust through that resistance. It gets up to the next level quickly. So we actually take what we would call a pretty early second entry so we could try to catch it at that level. Comes back down. We get our third ready just in case we need it. It gets close to our money, gets us briefly in the money, but just finishes out of the money. We're gonna need a third entry in this guy. We just wanna pick our spot right. I do feel like it is gonna continue to break down. We've got some other confirming currencies that telegraph the fact that EuroCAD was about ready to break that support. It does, it moves back through the range. It gives us a third entry win, our 10th win of the day. Hop onto a Euro Pound put. This one does test us a little bit, but gives us a nice first entry win there. And now over to Euro CAD, where we take another put at a strong resistance level. It does come back up. It tests that level. We get our second entry ready just in time. This guy's struggling at the resistance. It comes back down, stays in the money, gets us a win. Our 12th of the day for a profit of $381 and an increase of our account size of 10.7%. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to join us in the trading room for our live daily trading sessions, click on the link in the screen or in the description below. If you'd like to see more live trading videos, click on the box right here. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the trading room.